9 millionaire success habits that will inspire your life. Technology evolves and information becomes more accessible. It has also become more challenging to define success. A lot of people are trapped in the rat race, while trying to discover the actual formula for success. You could become overwhelmed with what tools, techniques, or philosophy to imbibe while trying to get tips over the internet. Every click and turn, how tours and quick fix on how to become successful overnight. You will find several courses, articles, videos, and books on how to achieve financial success. But what if I tell you that it doesn't have to be complicated as people made it out to be? What if you could achieve success by mainly following these 9 habits? 1. Establish multiple sources of income. Another success habit I noticed about success is that they don't depend on a single income source. Every millionaire possesses multiple sources of income. This helps them to manage economic challenge and also make more money. They are passive income addicts. They earn interest from loan, rental income from real estate, royalties from intellectual properties, dividends from investments. They also launch a side business or run a website or sell information products. How income is made either passively or actively is what separates the successful from the wannabes. They are always learning many ways to build multiple streams of income. 2. Manage and maximize money. The most significant education for billionaires is financial intelligence. Nobody attains financial freedom without gaining financial intelligence. More reason millionaires, regardless of their income, manage their tax strategies. They always seek to reduce their tax bills. One approach they employ is by living or incorporating their business in states with no income tax. Do you know that about 60 companies pay $0 legal in the 2018 tax years? Some of these companies that avoided not evaded federal income tax include Chevron, Amazon, Halliburton, General Motors, Delta. The total income, their total U.S. income was totaled at $79 billion with an effective tax rate of -5%. What's the deal? They got a tax refund. How did they accomplish it? An ITP report indicated that they are throwing huge sums at tax experts who assist them in discovering creative as well as evaluated means of paying little tax as much as possible. Okay, 3. Avoid debt. Another habit that separates the millionaires from the rest of the world is how they manage debt. They don't live an extravagant lifestyle and only buy what they need and can pay for. They do not book hotels, flights by using their credit card to pay for them. They are conscious of the interest rates. Even when they use credit card or take loans, they use those facilities for their advantage or pay with cash because of its 0%. So 4. They live on a stipulated monthly budget. An average millionaire does not believe in luck and jackpoints. They take the time to understand the cash flow, income, and expenses based on the monthly budget and religiously stick to it. The essence of the budget is to minimize unnecessary expense. This will help you gain complete control of your financial life. Budgeting helps you to avoid overspending. To achieve your financial goals, here are some tips to help you stick to your budget. Video I made 32 hacks for sticking to your budget. I'll be linking this video up here. You can check it out. So next, number 5, for personal development. A daily habit that I discovered that millionaires shares in common is reading. For instance, if you're an entrepreneur, you need to read to become an efficient leader, a productive business owner. Reading helps you to grow and learn without going to business school. A research conducted by Thomas Crowley indicates about 85% of self-made millionaires read at least 2 or more books each month. Warren Buffett is one of this example. He spent this is 80% of his daily reading. In the early days of his investment career, he will read 600 to 1,000 pages in a single day. Why billionaires sometimes read for pleasure? They also learn to improve themselves. They read topics on leadership, hack talks, self-help, biographies, life hacks, and also follow current events. Here are some recommendations for you. Best 25 self-improvement to read, no matter how old you are. Millionaires have a disciplined habit of their own. They wake up early, they think, they read, they exercise, they contemplate, they budget, so they plan things ahead. It doesn't matter if they are setting business or career or financial projection. They have the success habit of setting short-term goals. They plan daily and weekly to generate momentum in achieving their long-term goals. Ensure you prioritize when setting daily goals. This will help you achieve the most important doors on your list. Setting priorities will help you to focus on highly rewarding activities. If you desire financial freedom, it is wise to pursue activities that earn you thousands of dollars than hundreds of dollars. Don't act rich. The goal is not to act rich, but to be productive. Interestingly, Thomas Terry Butchert states in his book that the most brands of cars, or about 86%, are toys of the non-millionaires. People with huge fortunes drive exotic cars, but in reality, the largest consumers of pricey cars are aspirational. According to finding by Xperia automotive researchers, 61% of individuals who earn $250,000 or more rarely buy luxury brands. Instead, they buy Hondas, Toyotas, and Fords. Like the rest of the world, the reading is they are not ready to spend money on premium cars that tend to drop a value in a couple of years, as it would cost money. Millionaires invest in assets that appreciate. 8. Own or buy business. In a Robert Schatzhofer, he divided how you earn income into 4 quadrants. The E and the S quadrants take the left position, while the B and the I are on the right side. According to Robert, it is possible to be in all quadrants, but the millionaires are not. E stands for employee. They work for others. S stands for self-employed. They work for themselves. B stands for a business owner. Number 6 is daily goals. Set daily goals. Daily goals. It doesn't matter if they are setting business or career or financial projection. They have the success habit of setting short-term goals. They plan daily and weekly to generate momentum in achieving their long-term goals. Ensure you prioritize when setting daily goals. This will help you achieve the most important goals on your list. Setting priorities will help you to focus on highly rewarding activities. If you desire financial freedom, it is wise to pursue activities that earn you thousands of dollars than hundreds of dollars. So I hope this video helped you to get to the height you want to get. Now, thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that little notification bell to get notified whenever I put on a new video. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.